Losing weight can be a challenging journey, especially when aiming for long-term weight management. Strict diets may deprive your body of essential nutrients, and maintaining a daily exercise routine can be difficult. However, there are healthier ways to achieve your weight loss goals without resorting to extreme measures. Adopting simple lifestyle changes and behavioral habits can make a significant difference. Practices such as chewing food slowly, incorporating more protein into your diet, getting enough sleep, and managing stress effectively can support sustainable weight loss. Instead of drastically reducing food intake, which can leave you feeling hungry and unsatisfied, it's more effective to focus on increasing physical activity while ensuring your body receives adequate nutrients. The key principle of weight loss is maintaining a calorie deficit, meaning you must consume fewer calories than your body burns each day. Simply put, you need to expend more energy than you take in over time to see results. While it is possible to lose weight without rigorous dieting or intense exercise, it's important to recognize the additional benefits of staying active. Regular physical activity not only aids in weight management but also improves mental health, boosts energy levels, strengthens the immune system and bones, and reduces the risk of chronic conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), adults should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, along with 2 days of strength training. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet is crucial to prevent nutritional deficiencies and support overall well-being. By focusing on a sustainable and healthy approach, you can achieve long-term weight management without feeling deprived. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight involves making sustainable lifestyle changes and adopting beneficial behavioral practices. Simple habits such as chewing food slowly, incorporating more protein into your diet, getting sufficient sleep, and managing stress can support weight loss and long-term weight management. Reducing portion sizes can sometimes lead to feelings of hunger and dissatisfaction, so it is essential to focus on increasing physical activity and ensuring a balanced intake of nutrients. Importance of caloric deficit. The fundamental principle of weight loss is maintaining a calorie deficit, which means consuming fewer calories than the body burns throughout the day. Essentially, weight loss occurs when energy expenditure surpasses calorie intake over time. While it is possible to lose weight without strict dieting or exercise, physical activity provides numerous benefits beyond weight management. Exercise enhances mental health, boosts energy levels, strengthens the immune system and bones, and helps prevent age-related and chronic conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), adults should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, complemented by 2 days of strength training. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for preventing nutritional deficiencies. Effective strategies for long-term weight loss and management. To achieve sustainable weight loss without compromising health, consider these proven strategies. 1. Increase protein intake. Protein is an essential macronutrient necessary for building and repairing body tissues. It plays a significant role in weight loss by promoting satiety, boosting metabolism, and reducing appetite and cravings. Studies indicate that individuals who consume a protein-rich breakfast, such as eggs and toast, experience reduced hunger and calorie intake throughout the day compared to those consuming a lower protein meal. Some nutritious, low-calorie protein sources include lean meats, seafood, beans and legumes, soy products, low-fat dairy, eggs, nuts and seeds. It is essential to diversify protein sources rather than relying on a single type. While protein consumption supports weight loss, excessive intake can have adverse effects, such as allergies or strain on the liver and kidneys. Individuals with pre-existing kidney or liver conditions should consult a healthcare professional before making dietary changes. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking sufficient water plays a key role in weight loss, particularly when consumed before meals. Water helps curb hunger and prevent unnecessary calorie intake by ensuring that thirst is not mistaken for hunger. Additionally, staying hydrated boosts metabolism and supports fat-burning processes. Research suggests that water intake enhances sympathetic nervous system activity, which helps increase metabolism and energy expenditure. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics recommends daily water intake of approximately 15.5 cups, 3.5 L, for men and 11.5 cups, 2.5 L, for women. To develop a habit of drinking more water. Keep a refillable water bottle nearby while working or at home. Set reminders to drink water regularly. Start the day with a glass of water and continue hydrating throughout the day. 3. Incorporate more fiber. Fiber is found in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Unlike other macronutrients, fiber is not easily digested by the body, making it beneficial for weight management. It promotes satiety, reduces hunger, stabilizes energy levels, supports gut health, and slows digestion. Certain fibers, known as viscous fibers, form a gel-like substance when combined with water. This process prolongs nutrient absorption, slows stomach emptying, and sustains fullness, ultimately reducing overall food intake. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet can aid in healthy weight loss and digestion. By implementing these strategies, prioritizing protein intake, staying hydrated, and consuming fiber-rich foods, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight without compromising your well-being. Developing these habits gradually ensures long-term success in weight management.